Hello once again, everybody. Welcome back to Knox Asian Recipes. Today, stir-fried bitter melon. And notice the beautiful shape and texture of this melon that she's chosen today. You'll want to use a bitter melon that is young, fresh, and firm. The older ones can change color, the wrinkles are more pronounced. And of course, you'll scoop out all of the seeds and some of the white part on the interior of the melon. And Knock will slice these halves kind of thin. You'll see that it will facilitate removing the bitterness with salt. So Knock is coating this with a good amount of Himalaya salt, and she'll cover it well, and then she'll let it sit for about 20 minutes. It'll start to release its juices. So you can see that it released a lot of juice, and she'll squeeze it to get out as much of the juice as possible. Drain it, then she's going to rinse it. And there we go, the bitter melon is ready for the wok then. And here's a look at the ingredients that you'll use today. There's chili, two kinds, a hot chili and a sweet one, chopped up garlic, and tofu. So she's getting her wok ready, heating up the oil. She splashes the oil around here so that it heats up well and evenly. When you stir fry things, the temperature of the oil in the wok is kind of important. And the first thing she'll do is slightly brown her tofu pieces. So she's basically browned her tofu only on one side. Now she's ready to add the garlic and then the bitter melon, which she'll cook together only for about 2 or 3 minutes. And this dish is ready for the plate already. It's so delicious. It's a little bit crispy and yet tender, juicy. The flavor is wonderful. I love bitter foods. Simple. We hope you'll try this one at home. Thanks for watching until the end, and bon appetit.